Having trouble with UPnP Not Successful on your Xbox while using T-Mobile's home internet? Let's break it down. UPnP, Universal Plug and Play, is supposed to automatically open ports for smooth online gaming, but T-Mobile's setup often interferes. The main culprit is double NAT. NAT, or Network Address Translation, determines how your devices connect to the internet. Xbox needs an open NAT type for optimal multiplayer. T-Mobile's 5G gateways, like Nokia and Alcatel models, often create a double NAT situation, resulting in moderate or strict NAT types, leading to lag and disconnections. This happens because T-Mobile's gateway acts like a secondary router. Briefly, T-Mobile also uses CNAT, carrier-grade NAT, which shares public IPs among many users, adding another layer of complexity. Understanding this is key to fixing the problem. First, try manual port forwarding. Access your T-Mobile gateway settings at 192.168.12.1. Forward these essential Xbox ports, TCP port 3074 and UDP ports 88, 500, 374, and 4500. Be aware that T-Mobile sometimes blocks certain ports or requires verification before allowing the changes. A more effective solution is enabling IP pass-through or bridge mode in your gateway settings. This assigns your Xbox a public IP address, effectively bypassing the double NAT issue and improving connectivity. Contact T-Mobile support, as they may need to enable this feature for you remotely. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest version. Newer updates include T-Mobile-specific optimizations that can automatically configure network settings for improved connectivity with T-Mobile gateways. If the previous solutions don't work, consider using a third-party router connected in bridge mode to your T-Mobile gateway. This setup gives you more control over network configurations and can resolve persistent connectivity issues.